Hey y'all, Gina Brown here from GCISD's Digital Learning Department. So, I have a pro Canva tip for you. If you are always using Canva and you love to add new elements, for instance, you need to make your presentation bigger or you don't like the elements they have, but you want to match the same kind of theme or aesthetic, here is a tip for you. So, I go to the Elements feature and I search what I'm looking for. So, computer, type it right, it's better. And then student. Now, what I do is I find an element that is on my actual presentation. So, for instance, this right here is on my actual presentation. I see him right here on slide 7. So, if I click on him, it will add it to my presentation, but I can just delete it real quick. And then notice how Magic Recommendations pops up. So, if I click Magic Recommendations, y'all, check out these awesome images. So these match perfectly with my presentation. I can see some of them are already in there. Now, I don't want one that's animated, so I can either filter up top to have a static image, or I can click the one that's not moving, and then guess what? New magic recommendations pops up for me. So if I hit see all, now I have all of my static images that match my theme or my look or my aesthetic of my presentation. How awesome is that? So, another quick refresher, you search whatever you're looking for and then try to find one that's in your presentation or one that matches similarly. Add it to pull up the magic recommendation. So, if it's not doing it again, no worries. Just go back in, exit out to kind of clear it, pop it back in. I'm going to find one of my little cuties that looks similar. There we go. Delete it. Notice how magic recommendations pops up. I'm going to hit see all. I love the animated ones, but for this instance, I want one that's static. So I'm going to click on him again, and then magic recommendations pops up. And then notice how if I go down a little further, these ones do not match. So I'm going to pick ones from the top. Hope that was helpful.